Hey, this is Mark with Leading to Lean, and today I'm going to cover some of the changes in our July release. We've been working hard on implementing fixes in the system and also adding some new features as well as updates to existing features, and want to share what you can expect to see. New release features include skills are now associated with specific lines, yield threshold visual indicators and targets, cost column has been added to the spares part order history, and part categories have been added for tracking category consumption. Updated release features include improved accuracy on scheduled downtime reporting. Production OEE calculations now use line cycle times per number of users. Format improvements to email notifications. Notification improvements to the work order close action. And data load improvements for complex file uploads. Lastly, LMPU calculation updated in the production module. Alright, let me take a few moments and show you some of the new features and how they work in this system. Another new feature is that you now can associate skills with specific lines. I'll show you what we mean by that. If you are using the skills module, you can go into the line skill requirements, and we'll pick a line. I'll pick this ACH2D. Okay, and if you click on edit now, what you can do is you can save and add a skill to this specific line. This is the ACH2. If we click save and add skill, it's going to say, is this the line you want to add the skill to, which is the one that we want. You can then click the drop down and select this skill that you want. Let's say I want to add this material handler skill to this line. It's going to ask you what's the minimum level of training required to be fully trained. I'm going to say you need to be the highest level in owner. And then what roles apply to this skill. I'll say material handler since that's the one I selected. Once you've got everything that you want to do, you can either save it and it'll save this skill, save and add an additional skill, and then save and add a line. I'm just going to click save. And now you can see we've added that material handler position to the ACH2D. So what this allows you to do is associate skills with specific lines. In addition, you can also change the line skill requirements by going into the system setup, clicking on the line, selecting the line that you want. They've got quite a few in here. I'll just pick the top one here. Then on the bottom here, it's going to show you what are the required skills for that line. If you want to add a new skill, you can click right here and add it just like we did before. And then it'll show you a list of all the skills that are required for this specific line. Another new feature that we've added in this latest release is this production yield. You didn't used to be able to change the thresholds on the yield, but now you can select what you want the red, yellow, and green to indicate. And also this is going to change on the dashboards as well. If you have any questions about the release, feel free to shoot us an email at support@leadingtolean.com. Thank you.